Welcome to our EM1010 How-To series, Control Panel Overview. Today we will be discussing how to abort a job, adjust the speed, and frame out. The Home panel is essentially made up of two primary sections, the display in the upper section and the touch keys in the lower section. The upper section will display the embroidery design and any relevant information regarding the size and location of the file. The lower section is made up of 20 touch keys represented by icons. For navigation purposes, we will refer to the buttons by row and column, and then dive deeper into their functionality. We will begin by discussing a few key touch key functionalities that can be found on the Home panel. How to abort a job. There may be an instance when you will need to abort an embroidery job. To abort a design and start over, press the key labeled ORG, located in row 2, column 5, in the lower section of the panel. This is also known as the origin icon. A message stating Terminate Embroidery and Return to the Origin will appear. Click OK. Now the frame will center and the design will reset itself. How to adjust the speed. Different items may require speed adjustments. On the lower section of the display, you will find a plus and minus button that either lowers or raises the speed of the machine. In the center of the directional arrows, row 3, column 4, you will find the Increments button. If the Increments button is displaying one arrow, pressing the plus or minus button will increase the speed by 10 stitches per minute. If the Increments button is displaying two arrows, pressing the plus or minus button will increase the speed by 50 stitches per minute. The number displayed in red shows the speed at which the machine is currently running. Frame out. Next up is the Frame Offset key that is located in row 2, column 3 on the Home panel. It is represented by an icon showing two frames, one red and one white, and a blue downward-facing arrow. This option is mostly used when doing appliques. Simply press on the Frame Offset key to bring the hoop forward and put the applique in position. Press the Frame Offset key a second time to bring the hoop back into its starting position. Other touch key functionalities that can be found on the control panel are as follows: light switch, needle switch display, working needle and shaft needle, design and selection, color sequence setting display, design parameters, return to start point, stitch floating mode, rewind and forward settings, embroidery parameters, frame shift direction and frame shift speed, embroidery status, comprehensive menu settings, trace design, and go to endpoint. Thank you for watching our EM1010 How-To series, Control Panel Overview. We hope that you are finding our How-To series helpful. Look out for our next video on framing your fabric, where we will discuss framing your fabric, install the hoop, remove the hoop, and removing the installed flat frame support. If you like what you see, like us below and follow us on our channel. If you have any questions at all, leave us a comment below or contact us at the information listed at the bottom of this video.